What's up, people? Welcome back to Mark's Budget Garage, and today I'm going to show you what I did to install my exhaust cutout for this truck. Again, it's a 94 GMC 1500 OBS. There's the engine so far. Here's my engine holder, and just got one of these AGM batteries. Thing's actually really badass, works really good. So there's the normal muffler, normal exhaust pipe, and right here I took my Sawzall and some metal blades. First I measured it, made sure I had the right length, and I cut it. Then, which is pretty easy, I didn't take none of this down, and it's partly why I didn't weld it either. I just did the no weld method. I got these types of clamps right here off Amazon, and so far they're holding damn good. And as you can see, I did a messy job with it because I was holding it up with my gloves on that had this exhaust sealant stuff, and so far it's sealed. It's still sealed tight and it works perfect. Now it comes with this electric box. I zip tied and duct taped it all up, and even put it in a Ziploc bag and zipped it up to the floorboard, bottom of the floorboard. So it comes with this electric box, and you plug your wire harness and stuff like that into it. And then I zip tied, duct taped, and zip locked it up against the bottom of the truck. And it's got one wire strand that runs all the way. You run it, if I can even get a damn shot, all the way under the hood. That's all my slack on that wire. Zip tied it up again to that little mount there. And this wire just has your hot and your negative. Put it up, same thing with your negative. And it is legitimately that easy. I think the hardest part was, just cutting the exhaust pipe, which wasn't hard. And, getting that thing fitted up there, getting the clamps around it, getting the sealant under the clamps, then around it, tighten it all real good, and then you just find the best path to run your positive and negative strand. Now we're going to do some donuts to test out the difference in the sound in my backyard. This is my real famous dirt track back here. All right, there we go. Let's tear into it. Okay, then it comes with two of these remotes. It's off right now. When you hit on, it opens the exhaust cutout. Now let's test it out. Alright. Hopefully our action cam didn't freaking fall off. Alright. Hook it. Off. We're in stealth mode. Yeah, that's right. Nothing's growing in this yard anyways. Let's park her up here. So there you have it. Exhaust cutout. It's super easy. I think I bought it for like 125 bucks. It's on, off. So Get you one. This ground's really soft right now. It's been doing nothing but raining and been cloudy. This'll rake out. This'll rake out real easy. Or it's gonna make a tiny little dirt track. Oh no! I just noticed we lost our camera. Where in the hell? And how long has it been lost? Ah. Oh no. I just smell fresh soil. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. It's still recording. Hey. Yeah, that's good. Good $50 investment on a Chinese camera. I don't know how long that thing's been off of it, but I'll go back through the footage. We'll see. I'm just looking. What the hell? Oh God. Thanks for watching, folks. And I think one of the next things I'm going to do with this truck is put a new comp cam 270H in it, and of course some lifters and a few other things I'm about to be getting on order. And just got a new rear wheel and tire for my son's little dirt bike. I'm going to be putting that on. That thing's a fun little booger to blast around the yard with. And of course still shaping up the fender flares for my redneck wide body. And I'm not sure exactly what color paint I'm gonna go with, but maybe dark red. But I'm gonna paint this whole truck again. I painted it blue before. Just gonna go through it and do it even better this time. Remember, folks, if you got a wrench, you got a garage. So like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you'd like to see done on this truck. And I'm just gonna keep doing stupid stuff. Anything that I can do to hot rod this thing out, or whatever the case. I'm just gonna keep trying it out on this truck. This thing's been a blast, and just gonna keep building off of it. Thanks for watching.